Jeez. What a mission this is.
C28.
Oh shoot, I forgot mine. The cool thing about putting it with the range is
It's just so much more open, and the lighting.
the lighting's good. Hey everyone, today's the day. We're going to swap the Pan Sports off and put the C28s on the GTR. Special thanks to Falken Tire for sending me brand new Falken RT660s. I'm super excited. We're going to put these on and take off the Pan Sports that already have Falken RT660s on them. And we're going to bring these and have those finished and re-barreled. So it's going to be a fun year of swapping wheels and doing cool stuff, but let's get into it right now, okay? So many freaking pieces on this extension. Go.
Like you pour a GTR on it, you ain't got a gun.
I wasted all my money on my engine. I'm broke. Why? I wonder if this is actually not a 10.5 barrel and that's an 11 barrel.
Yeah.
Maybe.
This looks a lot more aggressive already. I could just tell.
Yeah.
From just the fender.
Yeah, definitely. So, but that's weird because the tire looks more meaty on this side. So it's almost as if the width of the wheel.
It's the same tire size?
Yep. The width of the wheel though might be slightly narrower.
Yeah.
The 3-piece says, I thought these were 10.5, but I'll have to measure them when we pop the tires off.
Yeah.
Weird. So yeah, that's it's kind of unusual. Yeah, I can already tell this is gonna be more aggressive. Like I said, in the rear it was plus 24, now I'm at plus 18, so slightly more aggressive. But those Pan Sports, because there's no stickers or anything, and I never measured them. I just put them on because someone was like, oh yeah, they came off R33. Didn't think anything of it.
Yeah.
So now I have to do some discovery on that, figure it out. Okay.
It could have been rebuilt too.
It could have been. Very true.
She's not gonna know.
You're saying
Perfect. That was enough. That was enough.
That's
Thank you.
all good.
That's exactly what we wanted to hear.
Anyways, this looks crazy. Thank you so much, Falken Tire. This is nuts.
You too.
Thanks. I mean, everyone's giving the card.
Right?
To know where she was at. And
Hey, Midnight Purple.
It's Midnight Purple, yeah. Thank you.
G-Wagon Midnight Purple will be sick.
Appreciate it.
Anyways,
Yeah, thanks so much to Falken Tire. This is like such a dream come true to do the 2023 iteration of the build. Like, I can't wait to show you the aero that's coming. But this is the first step, and honestly, the one-piece rim, I'm happy with it. I think I might run with this for a minute. This is too cool. Awesome rays, just it's iconic. This is the classic look on an R33